if we were going to project into the future a little bit, what do you think the next big move in the industry is going to be? Where is innovation going to be driving your organization to lead the industry?
Yeah, we're watching the world of is changing quickly, right? And you hear a lot about what's going on right now. You see the EV market, you see autonomous vehicles, and we're watching that, and we see this shift happening, and car ownership changing from individual ownership to more shared ownership. So we're watching it right now, and we're looking at how this space can evolve. So you're going to see probably a consolidation of vehicle styles and types. And that consolidation creates a lot of change for the tire itself, right? So you go from the many to the few, I guess. Yes. The best way to describe it, and get more focused on that. So we see shifts coming with rideshare, fleet, more autonomous vehicles. That's all changing a lot right now.
So we're gonna. I guess the only thing that's consistent is change. So
that's for sure. Staying
flexible and trying to figure it out and lead it. It's hard.
Yeah, I look back 38 years ago, right? We had a few different sizes that we sold. I mean, it was pretty basic. I mean, most of the vehicles that rolled in our door, you didn't have a whole lot of different sizes. It was, well, put it this way, like I look at a Ford, a Chevy, and a Dodge truck. They all had the same size. Every one of them. So it just changed, right?
Right.
Today, it's I call it the proliferation, right? So we've gone from the few sizes to now the many sizes, and the complexity of it's just evolved over the years as cars evolved. And so I kind of, it's interesting how we think, right? You got to make your bets.
Right.
We've gone from the few to the many, but we think the future could be back to the few.
Interesting.
As vehicles consolidate, right? And you get to this one simple, you think of Waymo right now.
Yes.
So Waymo, it's out there. I use it. You never thought you'd crawl into a car with nobody up in front, right?
Right.
But it's kind of I think it's the coolest experience out there. And it's consistent, and I think that's what's really neat, is because it's the Jaguar I-Pace that pulls up every single time, right? And so you think about that concept right there. It's one car, one style, one tire size, right? Uber is all over, right? So you got Uber Black, you got this, you got all these different cars, right?
Right.
Waymo, autonomous, which they want to be that car of the future. It's one car.
Right.
And they have one tire size on it. So that's kind of what we're watching happen.
For more information on the innovations shaping our world, visit tomorrowsworldtoday.com, check out the Tomorrow's World Today Facebook and Instagram pages, or subscribe to our YouTube channel.